Hi, I'm Solon Angel, and I'm the CEO of Remitian. We're very excited to be part of the Accelerator because it gives us the ability to reach the most subject matter experts in the profession right away in one day across the whole spectrum of the profession, whether it's the major firms, the smaller firms, people that have been running software company line of businesses that service the profession, or operators that have been, directing lines of service inside a professional services firm. And more importantly, I think the staff of the AICPA that participate in the AICPA CPA.com Accelerator do a great job with keeping us up to date of the trends and what they see on the field every day, right? So when I was part of other AICPA events, it was not tailored content for the innovators. And it's very subtle, but as they say, information is power. And with the information sharing going on here, it's just tremendous. Remitian utilizes AI and automation across several parts of the workflow. But what's very interesting is that it's invisible. So we're in the flow of how CPAs and taxpayers do their work and their remittances. And we enhance the process and create a very sleek, elegant workflow where in the past it was clunky, disconnected with a lot of error-prone situations that are completely gone with Remitian, with the AI that helps with money movement, onboarding, compliance, regulation, form ingestion, all the tedious part of essentially processing remittances and sending them and doing the last mile of delivery of tax to the clients is completely digitized thanks to a lot of automation behind the scenes. And we use several types of automations. Agentic AI is just one of them. I've been building AI companies for now a decade. My last company was an AI startup in the auditing space that I've started in 2015. And what I see here happening is that we've all been talking about AI is coming soon, but now it's here fully. And it's going to change everything. It has already changed so much around us. Artificial intelligence is now really in age of maturity, where it's reliable and exponentially growing. It's going to change the bottom line and top line. In an industry where the people factor and counting the hours is the common denominator, AI is going to completely transform everything. We used to talk about value pricing for years, but people didn't implement it. They will have to, because if things that you used to charge your client 15 to 25 hours, now you can do in 15 to 25 minutes. If you have to charge per hour, you're going to lose money right away and losing revenue. And on the terms of quality of work, AI is incredible for this. You can proofread your emails in client communication, all the way to pre-calculate and argue with the tax regulators of whether you're entitled to that rebate or not and how to report it. AI is here, and it's just the beginning of what it can do. The highlight of the COVID days for me was the incredible, we can feel the expertise, the depth of expertise of the advisors and the staff. And the way they ask questions made us pause, because when we are building and innovating, we're just 6 days a week intensively building. And sometimes it's hard to take distance as to where our work context fits into it. And we had 2 eureka moments out of the question and exchanges. I really enjoyed that. And I really also think the state of the industry presentation that gave us really data on what's happening in the profession was really, I will remember those 2 moments. And of course, how agreeable and polite and knowledgeable and helpful the whole staff was around the event.